What's going on, guys? It's Justin Buice. We're heading out to the EM Meet, Midwest Automotive Culture. As you can see, we're really cultured here ourselves. We got the 8.6 in the back, driven by the lovely Katie Jo Buice. We got the BMW 3030, 35i, 30i, what, no one cares. Focus ST.
Oh yeah.
Fast and unique.
Culture. Look it up.
Alright guys, we're about to roll out right now to this meet. It should be pretty fun. Here, some nice people, and yeah, it's really cool the way that they have it organized. There's like some breakdancing stuff over there. There's like RC car racing over there, so really enjoyable, really fun, like hanging out here. Now we're checking out the cars here in the parking lot. These are like the spectators' cars, so let's see what they have. Check that out, another E90. Ontario, you on here, bro? Got another E90, a red one, and they got the M3, the front bumper, and then they also got the rear. It's kind of an unusual color, at least here in the US. You don't see too many red ones, so it's pretty cool. So I think this is like the first meet where we actually brought both of our cars. We had the FRS and the BMW in one place. We had a really good time today, really good assortment of cars. They had like European, Japanese, American stuff, so there's really something for everyone. I thought that the breakdancing was pretty cool. Never really seen that before at a car show, but really neat. Our friend Spencer already left. He said he had to go get a sandwich or something, so not sure what that's about, but we're gonna head out now too, head home, and yeah. Alright guys, we're on our way home from that meet, and we decided to stop here on Woodward to get some ice cream. Probably one of the most well-known roads on earth for car stuff, so pretty cool to just sit here and watch these old classic cars go by.